Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, start. Tanya, read it.
Fill in the blanks. The distance traveled per unit time is called.
Yes, yes, Andresh.
Ma'am, speed.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes, Aditya. It's speed. Okay, the distance traveled in unit time is called speed. Okay,
Ma'am, speed of
next.
the object.
Yes,
The
next.
average speed is the same as the actual speed in.
The average speed is same as the actual speed in dash
Can I tell?
motion.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
Ma'am, can I
uniform
tell?
motion.
Hassan, please
Ma'am,
raise your hand. I can see Hassan will
ma'am,
answer.
uniform motion.
Uniform motion, yes. So whenever that in uniform motion, we get a straight line graph, and in that uniform motion we know that the object travels equal distance in equal time interval. So whatever slot we are going to take, we will get the same, we'll get the same speed everywhere. But if it is non-uniform motion, what will happen? The speed will vary from one place to another place.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay,
it will be not
very
constant.
good. So it's clear to all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Periodic events are used for the measurement of.
Amandip.
Ma'am, time.
Yes, so periodic movements are used for the measurement of time. We have done that experiment. Okay. Samrat is there in the class? No.
No, ma'am.
If you are there, if
No.
you are having that ball, okay, and the thread, you can make a pendulum, make a recording, okay, and give me the recording of that, how you are getting the time period. That activity we have done in the
Okay,
school. Do you
ma'am.
remember?
Okay, ma'am.
So please do send. I can send this activity to the our
Ma'am,
HOD.
can we do the activity with the bouncy ball I have it?
Anything that, but that will show that actually the pendulum, the
Yes, ma'am.
oscillation, and it will be keeping constant for a long lot of time. Okay. Okay, next one, Tanya.
Clocks and watches. Clocks and watches are based on the periodic motion of.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, clocks and
Aditya,
watches are based on the periodic motion of pendulum.
periodic based on the periodic motion of pendulum. The concept is based on pendulum. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
next.
The time measuring devices used in sports car can measure time intervals that are one dash or one dash of a second.
Yes, time measuring devices used in sports. Yes, so they will be much less than second. That is micro and millisecond. 100th or
Ma'am,
1000th
millisecond.
of
Ma'am,
second.
100th or 1000.
Yes, 100 part or 1000 part of a second. Okay, clear? Next. Next.
The smallest time interval measured by a wall clock is dash second.
Yes. Pranjal. Pranjal, you have raised your hand. Prem, give the answer.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yes. Is second 1 second. Okay. Next. Sixth. Sorry, seventh one. Yes.
Distance time, ma'am, seventh one.
Hmm.
Distance time graph for motion of an object moving with a constant speed is dash.
Is a yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, uniform
uniform.
motion.
Ma'am, uniform.
It has been
Ma'am,
asked
Uniform
that
motion.
distance time graph motion of an object moving with a constant speed is a straight line. It will be answer will be a straight line. It will be a straight line. Okay. Next.
the ages of dash and dash are usually expressed in billion of years.
Yes. The ages of sometimes we can know the ages of some trees buried, some of the rocks present. So you can write as rocks and trees. They are usually expressed in years of billion years. Okay. Which of the following are not correct? If not correct, you are going to justify why it is not correct. Okay. Yes.
first. The basic unit of time is second.
Okay. The basic unit is second. Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, true.
True. Next.
Every object moves with a constant speed.
I'm not correct.
False.
It is not correct
Ma'am, not correct.
because bodies may move in a uniform motion or in a non-uniform motion. So it is not
Ma'am,
harder
it moves in a non-uniform motion.
Yes, it is not
Ma'am,
harder
mostly time.
Yes, every object should not have a uniform or constant speed. Okay, next.
Third, distances between two cities are measured in kilometers.
Ma'am,
So,
true. Ma'am,
true.
Ma'am, correct.
Correct.
Ma'am, true.
True.
True. Next.
Fourth, the time period of a given pendulum is not constant.
The time period of it's false because
Yes,
pendulum is
Ma'am,
only
not correct.
used to make the time or measure the time period. Okay, and it should be
Yes,
constant for a pendulum of a particular pendulum. So it is false. Next.
Fifth, the speed of a train is expressed in meter per hour.
Ujjwal will answer.
A
Ma'am, not
minute per
correct.
hour.
Please wait. So correct it, Ujjwal. Ujjwal, correct it. Ayush Chaube, Ujjwal. Yes, Kriti, correct it.
Ma'am, kilometer per hour.
It will be kilometer per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
Okay, what is the basic unit of speed, Pranjal?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the basic unit of speed?
Ma'am, meter per second, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, next, don't read, Tanya, just let me read. Complete the data of the table given below with the help of a times distance graph. So you have to make a table and the data has been given over here, and with the help of that you have to make a time distance graph. Okay. Let me see what is in the next page. So you know how to plot the data. You can see when distance is 0, time will be 0. When distance is 4, then what is the time taken? 2. Okay, and it has been plotted. Complete the data of the table. Okay, you have to complete.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
so when time is 4, distance क्या होगा? देखो ग्राफ से बताओ. ग्राफ में सब कुछ है. Just go to the graph. देखो
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, distance will be 8.
very good, very good. Again, when distance is 12, just go
Ma'am,
right.
Ma'am, 16.
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. 16. 6. Yes, it is 6. Yes. Next, again, when time is 8, just go up on the line.
Ma'am, 16.
Ma'am, 16.
So, have you understood? All of you are able
Yes,
to do?
ma'am.
Ma'am, simply
think
the
आप
table of 2 and 2.
कुछ नहीं, टेबल नहीं करना है. आप देखो ग्राफ में क्या है. ओके, ग्राफ से वी आर जस्ट गेटिंग आउट द ग्राफ, गेटिंग दैट इट इज अ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. तो ग्राफ में अगर कोई टाइम बोला, यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट केस that time has been given. 4 has been given, so we will from that 4 we will just draw a perpendicular up. You will see it will intersect the uniform motion curve at a point, and you will see it will be 8 from the y distance curve is given in the graph, है ना?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next time if your school is opening, please bring a graph paper. Okay, और बेटा I think you are having graph paper at
Yes,
home.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these equations कल जो solve करवाए हैं, that is that 2 equations are having the same uniform motion graph, है ना? They are having the same uniform motion, same speed. So that all these you can do it on the graph, so that you will be able to understand it much more properly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, subjective type of question. Yes, Anya. Tanya, are you there?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read. Tanya, read.
Ma'am, should I
Pranjal
read from the
Yes, subjective question.
subjective type exercises? Question number 1. Very short answer question. Paheli and Bujo have to cover different distances to reach their school, but they take the same time to reach the school. What can you say about their speed?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
One by one. Yes, Amrit. Amrit. Others mute yourself. Please do
Ma'am,
mute yourself.
they do not have equal speed because they cover unequal distance in equal interval of time.
Is it right, Chandresh?
It should be that the distance between, if the distance covered by Bhujo, if it is more than Paheli, then he has speed more than Paheli, and if the distance covered by Paheli is more than Bhujo, then she has greater speed than Bhujo, but their speeds and distances are unequal.
Yes.
Yes. Is it clear,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Please, when discussing,
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you 15
Yes,
minutes
sir.
time that you are going to complete. Or we are having 2 periods today, है ना? We will get
Yes,
enough
ma'am.
time. First of all, we will discuss. Okay. Next one.
State whether the motion of a pendulum bob is uniform or non-uniform.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, Amrit.
Ma'am, the motion of the bob is non-uniform motion because the speed of the bob keep changing.
No. Again, you are just telling the same thing. No. Pendulum, you know, that we can prepare at home, that may have non-uniform, but the pendulum that is specially prepared in the clock or for attachment in the clock or to measure the time, that will have uniform motion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please keep it in mind. Pendulum, whenever it
Ma'am,
is told, yes,
ma'am,
yes,
because it will be ma'am, the
it will,
speed and the distance, it will be constant only.
yes. What is it? That means the number of oscillation per second is same. That is, the frequency is constant in case of pendulum.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next. What is average
What
speed?
is average speed?
Yesterday we have discussed that.
Yes, ma'am.
Arushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. What is average speed? Aditya Chaube. Average speed.
Ma'am, the total distance traveled by any object divided by the total time taken by the object is called its average speed.
Yes. So, if it is coming that write short notes on average speed, what you are going to write? You can give data that a person in the first lap he has gone this much of distance, this kilometer. In the next 5 seconds, he has got, or 5 minutes he has got covered next 5 or 10 kilometers. So, then you are going to add all them together by adding all the time together also. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One, two. Okay, clear. Next.
Speed of a car is 50 kilometers per hour. What does it imply?
Okay, don't answer. Raise your hands only. Please raise your hand. The speed of a car is 50 km per hour. What does it imply?
Ma'am,
Yes, Hassan.
ma'am, that the car
बोलो सही बोल
ma'am,
रहे हो
the
बोलो.
car covered total distance in 1 hour.
The car covers the
Ma'am,
total
50
distance of 50
kilometers per
kilometers in
hour.
1
Per
hour.
hour.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the car is covering 50 kilometers in 1 hour. Next one, Tanya.
If Bhujo covers a certain distance in 1 hour and Paheli covers the same distance in 2 hours, who travels in a higher speed?
Chandresh.
Ma'am, Bhujo travels the highest speed because both of them cover the same distance, but Bhujo takes less time and Paheli takes more time.
Okay, clear to everyone? Yes, it
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
answer. Okay, very good.
Next.
Next one.
Give 2 examples of objects which are in motion.
That you are going to give. Okay, not only 2, you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
give as many as possible. Don't
Yes,
write
ma'am.
it now. You
Yes,
can, I
ma'am.
will give you time later. Okay, next one, 7th one.
A spaceship travels 36,000 kilometers in 1 hour. Express its speed in kilometers per second.
Okay, so you are going to do, that is your homework. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
because that's very
Okay,
easy.
ma'am. Okay.
You are going to do. Next page. What is the page number?
What is the shape? Eighth question.
Ma'am, 196.
Got it. Yes.
Ma'am, 196.
Mm-hmm.
What is the shape of distance time graph of an object whose speed keeps on changing?
So what will be the shape? It will be a
Ma'am, curved.
Ma'am,
Curve.
curve.
Ma'am, curve shape.
It will the shape of the graph, time distance graph will be a curve. Okay, next.
How can we find the speed of an object from its distance time graph?
Yes. How can you find the speed of an object? Because in distance time graph we always know the distance
Ma'am,
and we
distance.
know the
Distance
time.
by time
Yes,
Yes,
distance
ma'am.
by
Yes, ma'am.
equal to
distance by
final
time.
po-
And ma'am, by that we can
final
see that what's the
time
speed.
Yes.
taken by
Ma'am,
object.
everything, ma'am, we mention distance and time both, and then how we make the graph, ma'am, by what it the how the bar represents, ma'am, by that we can tell what is the distance and what is the time.
Yes. Next, 10th one.
Figure shows the distance time graph for the motion of two vehicles, A and B. Which one of them is moving faster?
Again, we have done this. Okay, I have done it on the blue board when you are there in the school.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, which is the most steeper? I told you the most
Ma'am,
steeper the
A.
graph that the
Ma'am,
most.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
A.
A is more
Yes.
steeper.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, A is faster than B.
A is having much more speed than that of B. Okay. So, you are going to complete till question number 10. Okay. Any doubt? Anyone? Again, just tell me any
No,
doubt.
ma'am, no
No,
doubt.
Which
ma'am.
question we have
No, ma'am.
discussed?